That's all over the world. As you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu and Oraifite. We call Makachu. I have money since you are ugochitubelu and them. Broadcast only since you are the Restoration Evangelical Mission. Only here you way better. Here you way better than Kowalagi, what you don't know. What you don't know, Buna, Chupo Kike, Kechalo Wa, Watoruku. Okay, ihe niile mmadụ needed. Mmadụ ji ebi ndụ n'ụwa ka ụwa wee bụrụ a better place. But like nna agwaba gị, what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Do you see? O nwere Chineke kechara ụwa na akwụkwọ Genesis, ọ sị na ihe niile Chukwu kere dị mma. O nwere ihe ọ bụla Chukwu kere n'elu ụwa bụ ihe dị njọ. O nwere ihe Chukwu kere nwee ihe mmadụ kere, ọ nwere idea. The atomic missile, the bomb, the guns, the whole creation of man. Man, I hear in the Chukwu kere those natural things. You know ya? Then they can mother, they can trees, plants, grass. You know we Chukwu kere. Omoro dem were kese no human being formulate ya. And therefore, ihe obuna Chukwu kere the man, and this for benefit of man. Let me tell you, even before the arrival of Oka in Nigeria, let me give you an example. Oka can less than 100, 200 years. Oka less than 200 years. Oka there. Man Oka be wala uti colonial masters. They are called with health. Always you. You go and work. Kiri hende na naiha of yesteryears. Really, where then do? What kept them alive? Yes, the people of the old. You can even mention people in the Bible. Yes, all herbs, fruits, and vegetables. If you had it where then do. I can tell you na mborogu na mpa ihe ọbụla efuru n'ụwa nwere uru ọrụ ọ na-arụ. Enwere ndị bụ for favor, when they nwere medicinal values, when they nwere spiritual strength attached to it. Yes. Ka mmakwado ga-atụ ka nwere ndị India mara ga. Ije ebe a na-ele spiritual shop, ị ga-afụ incense. Incense. Those incense ya nwa ha mere is a combination of many leaves and herbs, a processor, tinye ha lightning matches stuff, then use all their broom as a stick, where go more those things on their stick, in lighting ya. Over fragrance, each particular one on the release. Man the pepper, man did not fight against attacks. You know what I mean? So the easier the incense, you can find different incense for different purposes. Here melody did different and the all has it different because of the components, the leaves and herbs are combined together. And the cable is yoku those incense non all. Come by the joke of ya, even the Catholics, even the Catholic. Igama now before I be to Ajamas, no with incense, the frankincense. Father ne fe na auto kwezi okwero ta mba no na umu ihe masaba e wo auto na ebo mesia umu ihe ni na atie charcoal o nwere ihe ọ ga-awunye na ya ifu smoke apụọ the frankincense ofe na the altar right around the jigo father gị ihe eji efe ka nkọwaziere ihe eji efe ya bụ na a na-ajọ ka e wee chụpụ to repel negative spirits and also to invite mmụọ dị mma ndị ga-eso in the mass, so that they will join in the celebration of mass. So the work is to attract good beings to join. Atara na fada ga-asị na aja na achụ n'ụbọchị taata ọ maka ndị dị ndụ na ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Ghọtara ya? So to go to show you that these spirits join in communion ebe ọ bụla enwere mmadụ more than 2 or 3 gather n'afa Chukwu. Nke ọ dịkwa etu ha ka ọ dị in African spirituality. Before ndị anyarị abịa buru their own system bịa anyị achụbago dị aja. Nwere ihe a na-akpọ African incense. Ọkwa nwere idea. African incense bụ ihe amụma ihe ụlọ na-akpụ ya etruto nkwụ. That is ihe akwụ a na-achọrọ ịfọm akwụ mana ọfọm na akwụ amụma ihe ụlọ na-akpụ ya na bone. A na-akpọ ya African incense. O nwere ebe anyị achọ ime deliverance. Ọ na-repair negativity. Amụnye ọkụ ifu the smoke ọ na-apụ. Then mana ịchọzie fortify ya for so many obvious reasons. Other etc. and etc. You got add the leaves and the other things my miracle leaf and the other things my was here for one after the other because they are too numerous to mention. Bringing them together depending on what they actually want. I want to prepare for each one damos in Madugon African essence, idea, queen, idea, and rest of them. I can know for favor. Also, natural ingredients that attract benevolent spirits. When natural ingredients you have lighten here up now, or attract to more had on one more now, that's fragrance, natural fragrance. They begin to come around. On our science, rocket science, man, is fact. On the combination of water, the natural flowers, the marigolds, the name them, Eliami Onoha, had many. Then I wouldn't water see here together. Only the fragrance, this your money is in a hoya. What you want to more Arabia, Nasi, Kerebe and Aqua Yukua. This year, Nesi, Ka, Isi, Oma, Ayamal. Yotaria, they will begin to come. Some of them ingredients lighting up after Kenocharia. Negative spirits, once they have food smell, and bataka. Like African essence in here. Then negative vibrations will begin to run away. We repair mosquitoes. Are you getting me? So the ability to combine these things, we can combine here over 32 items together for different purposes. And well, all nya batara eji well ncha. Ncha yefro kitabo. Ncha na asot. Eji asot. Yes. Uchu mmomo uchu mmadu. Maka na enwere over 32 items put together here. Yes. And the guys were reliable. I am an economy hard. So I will lawyer in a way that now on a repel negativity or on general assault and favor. That is in one. And that will that is you have 3 in 1 combination. Okay, work on your career. Makana man for their own will not be able to have access to all the natural ingredients that does this work. So therefore, because based on request, I will gather those 32 items together. But 3 in 1. You go for favor, Awele and the Uchu removal. Bring them together. Then in organic soup manner, we prepare. You listen, Bona. And what so many ways I was married in what Uchu. By keeping companies. By dying a had a make. So it was said from time to time, a watch up Uchu. A watch up Uchu, seeing what are true friendship and type of people you are mingling with. So all we had the moment now from time to time, we can ask, of course, you can ask cream and what are any spiritual properties in it. No, it was it has from time to time a sound beneficial soaps. Can repair accumulated or up in metal through the types of friends and people you are mingling with, people you get the hand make it. All the very important. So Oburuziana igota the ncha. Then a chat here in WhatsApp. I was here a ticket you use here. Yes, but not 3 in 1. You can see the inside here. Yes, 3 in 1 couple. Abron a choya we ship nationwide. As we speak now, I produce them massively. And since day before yesterday, people are making their orders. Yes. So yesterday I know how many way to Abuja to many different people and Lagos. So today I can make way bill again. More personally, I can make those way bill because I'm going towards the direction near where I made the way bill. So overall nature denture a tour, a pack here tour is 25,000. Yes. Then including the way bill. we ship nationwide. Thank you. Remember, my WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871 or 9 screen. You can follow the numbers that in a screen or number here, but no one is on your winter. I think I'll get one.